Use tags to @mention small groups within larger teams so you can notify just the right people without pinging the whole group. Beside the relevant team, click More Options and select Manage Tags. Depending on your organization's settings, you may have to be a team owner to create and manage tags. Click Create Tag, enter the tag name and an optional description, add the relevant team members, and then hit Create. To manage a tag, click More Options or select the tag name. Edit the details or members, chat with members, create a copy of the tag, or delete it altogether. You can also quickly remove members from here. When viewing all team members, you can quickly see which tags people have been added to. Click Add or Remove Tags to quickly add or remove the team member from a tag. Then apply your changes. Now team members can @mention a tag to ping the group all at once. And anyone in the org can quickly start a chat with tagged members. Use tags to quickly reach small groups without typing out every single name.